Hello, I'm Matteo, the Chief Mobile Opinionist here at Tech Travel Geeks, and today I'm going to unpackage and review a case I purchased for the Honor Magic 7 Pro. Now, this is, as is quite common with a lot of Amazon brands, an unpronounceable brand, but hey ho, it's a plastic bag with a phone case in it for less than £10 sterling. Who am I to complain? So first things first, let's open the packaging. The case itself, which has a purple to blue gradient, is there. And on the inside, unlike usual, we have our styrofoam keeping the thing together, but we also have a little bit of paper with printed out the fact that this is for the Honor Magic 7 Pro, that I'm not understanding, thickening balloon and 1.5mm anti-fall. So this is all probably something that makes sense in Chinese, but translated into English, I'm not sure how a case can anti-fall and what a thickening balloon is. I'm hoping it's an airbag, but we'll find out. And then in small print it says, "Foolproof, I'll take it." Is that a threat? Are they going to steal my phone? Who knows? But made in China and it's recyclable, always good. So, Honor Magic 7 Pro, lovely device. We've already done an unboxing video, a separate setup video, and we're now going to put this lovely case from an unpronounceable brand on Amazon onto the phone. So as you can see, it has all the usual cutouts for the camera. I'm going to pop that in, and just like that, bingo bango bongo, it fits perfectly. Now, first impressions, great case, does the job. I quite like this colorway, the fact that it is a blue phone underneath. It's a sort of baby blue, light blue underneath, but then it goes from a purple to blue gradient. I really like that. Camera cutouts seem accurate. All four sections are free there. There's a little cutout for the flash as well as the additional sensor there. The case itself at the top has cutout for that stereo speaker, infrared blaster and microphone hole. At the bottom it has cutouts for microphone hole, USB Type-C and stereo speaker again. At the sides there is a couple of cutouts for putting a lanyard on this, so great for those lanyard enthusiasts amongst you. And then we have our power button and volume rocker, which are slightly separate, but they're extensions. Let's just check that they work. Let me unlock the phone. So volume up works fine, no stickiness. Volume down works fine. This is great. And power button does the same. So in terms of cutouts, that's as expected on the side, none on the other side. And what I will say is the corners of this device give me a bit of sort of security. Since most phones do tend to fall on their corners, they've reinforced the corners to the device, and I'm happy with that. Only slight concern I have is the fact that the Honor Magic 7 Pro's screen is very close to the edge here. There seems to be little or no lift from the case to give it that extra sort of height restriction. But again, for a case that costs less than £10 sterling on Amazon, I'm not one to complain. Now, I will be ordering more cases from AliExpress, amongst other places, to compare them to what we see here for the Honor Magic 7 Pro. If you don't already, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks here on YouTube to watch those riveting reviews of phone cases that we do here on Tech Travel Geeks. We also cover consumer electronics, gadgets, accessories, and anything else we think makes the travel experience better. But anyway, overall, first impressions, I would say full review at this point of this case is that it's a good case. I love the colours. It feels good in the hand. The bumpers are an extra bit of reassuring thing at the corners, but the screen itself is not protected by much of a lift from the edges of the phone case. So yes, I would recommend this case for the price and the fact that it's next day delivery through Amazon Prime. Link will be in the description, but if you're looking for a bit more protection, maybe consider something with a bit more depth on the sides and at the top and the bottom to protect your screen better. The Honor Magic 7 Pro does have a plastic film protector in place as it comes out of the box. Just bear in mind that you might want to get a tempered glass screen protector at some point. Anyway, I'll wrap this quick review of the case up, and thank you for watching if you made it this far. Great, speak to you soon, and no, don't take my phone.